we have also, the children are not used to sitting there, and their kind of a concentration levels and the tempo or the frequency to continue with the teacher.
See, it is not teaching. That is where we should change the pattern now.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be teaching.
Yeah.
It should be giving them activities wherein they will learn themselves. See, I wanted to tell, this is the technical term or this is the term you have to understand. Go and look at every place. So they will have to hunt for information. If they want, we will tell you, oh, this is the path you have to go. See, I am not in a village. If somebody asks you which is the way to go to temple, I am not going to take them to temple and drop them there. I will tell you, go in this direction, you will get it. During that path, they keep asking many people. Like that. See, the problem is every day I get hundreds of questions from children. They are not worried about learning. They are only worried about solving the problems for getting marks.
Yeah.
That is because everybody told them, this is how you should learn. If we can change that pattern into interest in learning, I am sure they will grow in their life.
See, nobody knows the power of these latent skills, how to nurture these latent skills so that they can really enjoy their academics.
That is simple. See, that is simple. But what is happening today is not that children don't have that interest. The problem is there are parents, there are teachers, the system, the politics, the environment makes them to be like this. So, motivating them to learn is simple. But sustaining that should have an environment in which you are there. See, you can clean yourself and then have a nice clean body, but immediately you are in a dust.
Somewhere we need to.
That is where we need a good group of people so that they are in a satsang. We need to create people who are all learners. They will ask questions, they will keep on. That can be kept active by having like what I am saying is like a Zoom meet or a webinar where they keep reporting what they have learned. So you cannot do blah blah blah.
Yesterday I thought of really doing that, but the parents know because of that infrastructure that we needed, the rent and all, what all are supposed to stay there. I said, is the minimum because of this crisis, it should be even around 50,000. So you can scale down your free house. So you are staying there. So anything if you can
Your line is not clear. I am not able to hear.
Now it's okay, sir?
Little, yeah.
Yeah.
So the question is, do they have sufficient gadgets? Are they connected to that? Learning is very simple. We can straight away do that.
Gadgets in the sense like the laptop or...
Yeah, I will just send you a Zoom request. Let me see how are you going to accept it. I am sending you a Zoom request. Let us see how do you accept it now. Looking for the children also to get trained themselves so that you are in a classroom every day whenever you want.
The sequence is we need to first download the app, Zoom app.
Nothing is required. See, when I send you an invitation, automatically you click there, it comes.
That inbuilt, it will be there.
Yeah, it will ask you if it is a laptop, straight away it connects you. So, my question is, do we have such facility? Probably, what we require is to train our children. I am sure when you start using it, it becomes so simple for you. And you can do everything what you do in a classroom in this way. I can share my screen. I can share a presentation, I can share a video, I can have an analysis on that. That video can play, I can speak parallelly. So my classroom can be a multimedia classroom today.
Yeah.
So what
But
stuff,
only
and I
this-
can record it, I can re-listen to that. The classes, you cannot do that, all that, right?
Multitasking is not possible there in the class.
Yeah, so here we can do multiple things, and sitting here and talking hours together is not boring because it gives you flexibility,
With a bigger comfort.
bigger comfort. You are at home, you are and that's why I am here. I am feeling at home. Otherwise, I will have to make up and then come to class, right? So,
It's really.
if you can connect to people, you can ask them, what did you learn today? A feedback. So the rest of the time which they have in their of the class, they must be investigating what they wanted to learn, how do they learn. They can have their own technique. Then when they come here, they can share the method they used for learning, what did they learn. So that motivates many people. So that motivation keeps live.
So straight away, what they are asking, yesterday the parent put a big question that what they have asked means, can you really put forward a template saying that the teaching life skills through chess and storytelling, that was my tagline.
Yeah.
Teaching life skills through chess and storytelling, that was my tagline. They are expecting me to put that tagline in a Google format. So that they can put forward into their kind of WhatsApp groups.
Yes, yes.
They are anticipating that, see what all we experienced, we saw that is what all we experienced over here, that we want to pass on to the remaining people who are in big dilemma of this crisis, or in general. In general also, nobody is happy with the current the learning systems. But only thing is how we can be able to convey our kind of
that is what I'm
systems.
saying. Now, the other day we created a NIOS group. You add people there. Suppose this Google Meet invite, if I send it in that group, I'm sure few people will join. There will be a lot of ideas coming out. All of them can discuss that and then find out, come to some learning conclusions. This is how we are going to learn. This is how we are going to do things which will take us towards greater learning. That should be the method in which we should work.
No, I'm not telling about this interface of the technology. First, basically, they should see that end of the day, what is the beauty in this kind of really understanding the core values in our learning systems.
That is what I'm saying. That everyone will look at things entirely different. So there has to be a platform where they can share.
Yeah, even for the basic idea also, let them
share. So we can give task. The task can be to learn. Assume that you wanted to learn public speaking. That's your life skill which you wanted to learn. Or maybe report writing is what you want to learn. Or maybe drawing is what you want to learn. What we will do is, we will tell them these are all the path where you can go and then learn this and then come back. And show that what is that you have learned. Did you had a difficulty? Will you be able to... I am not able to reach the temple, then what made me to get away from the temple? What made me to reach closer to the temple? Both has to be explained. So that the path is not to somebody else. That is what is sharing and learning. So care, share, learn, that I am sure will start loved by people.
That, sir, you are able to type down. No, what I am looking into is, see, some I said no, a brief summary, not summary. I said no, 10 commandments. Other day I said no.
Yeah.
At least if we can say that 5 commandments or 10 commandments, these are the core things, are the latent skills whereby which if we can imbibe these skills to our children, their learning will be on a different scale.
There are not
really.
That is what I am saying. There are not 10. There is only one. That is how to learn. Learn to learn. That is my caption. Always I keep talking about learn to learn. So how do you learn? How do you learn how to learn? How do you learn swimming? Jump into water. How do you learn subjects? Jump into that subject. You may not be able to understand anything, that doesn't matter. But then I am there to tell you this is how what you should do to learn.
Process. Yeah, once you are into the process, that can take
That
you to
process
the
will
destiny.
be different. That is why we have processes, different processes. In learning processes, there is what is called a apprentice type learning. Suppose I want to teach somebody how to repair a scooter. I must tell him which nut and bolt has to be removed first so that the you open up to the engine. And if the starting problem, you must look at the spark first. Remove the spark. Clean the spark. If the fuel is not coming, you remove the fuel tube. And then if there is an air, you suck it and throw it. So I cannot ask him to experiment whatever. So one is that. Second one, assume that I am teaching history. The history teaching methodology is entirely different. I must talk about geography of where it happened and which king went from what place to what place, which year it happened, why it happened, how it happened, what are his motivation. All that I will have to explain, and ultimately we derive some lesson from that. So it's a deductive, derivable knowledge. History is learned to derive something out of it, not to repair something. Your problem itself is not there. History learning is only when there is a problem which may come tomorrow, your historical knowledge is used. So I must motivate them to learn that in a different style, deducing some lessons. So there is a descriptive style, there is a deductive style, there is an apprentice style, there is a discovery style. Now I am giving a mathematics problem. Mathematics problem, you cannot learn from these three different methods which I said. You will have to discover yourself. For which I will have to give some maybe 3 minus 2. You take 3 and then minus 1 cut. How much is that? You count yourself. You count yourself. I am not telling you. So that is always discovering. They discover. So
Sir, one thing.
Yeah.
What I am my conviction is, see, foundation. I'm good at foundation. Foundation means that is my perception. My perception is, see, like to bring them to that frequency or to that scale, we need to make them trigger their that inherent potentials.
Okay, let me ask you, what age group are we looking at?
Like UKG and first class.
Yeah, UKG and first class, this doesn't work because their cognitive learning should come from direct involved. That is where parents have to sit beside. So yeah.
Got it.
Yeah, so this, see, you cannot expect, I can teach a 6th class boy, if they want food, they can go to a shop and then get something or buy something, cook themselves. I cannot do this for a age 1 or 2 year old because somebody has to feed them. So if you are looking at age group, maybe below 13, below 12, there are different stages we have to look at. So if you are looking somebody below 5 years, none of these digital technologies, that's only bogus. Without somebody's support, nothing will work. You cannot expect a KG student to learn a rhyme because they will not have patience to sit in front of a program where to listen once or twice unless physically somebody is beside them. That is understood. That's a child psychology.
Sir, actually, to tell you the what you
I understand. What I understand is NIOS is not for pre-primary or such classes. NIOS should look at only secondary students.
Yeah, 6th. From third also, third, sixth, eighth, 10th.
Yeah, third, sixth and all, actually third, sixth and all, whether you pass or not, NIOS support you directly to write examination. If you're,
People to contain them the other way around.
Yeah, that's
See,
it.
if you don't say
That is what I'm saying. There you need support. So how can NIOS do that? See, probably you should have a higher class students or higher age students. Give them task for guiding their younger children. Because without physical, whatever e-learning is happening in the world, young children are not able to grasp anything without a physical intervention.
Yeah, their emotional quotient should be addressed.
Yeah, see, they that is what I said. No?
Come down with.
They can only cry when they are feeling hungry. They cannot hunt for food. Somebody else have to lead them, take them to the place where they get food. Otherwise, they will just cry. They don't know what is to be done. The reaction is different.
That's what I am looking again. I say that what I am looking at is see, these children. If not this crisis, generally my way of really approaching the problem is they come down. Let them first have some energy levels.
Yeah.
Once they have some energy levels, they will sit down and they play down. I said no. My approach is this. Once they play down, they sit down in front of the Chinese checkers or chess. They'll get involved. Visualization will be there. The spirits will be generated. Then what I do for some time, I say to them, once they have the basic vocabulary, then they go for reading stories. Once they read the stories, then see first class. I experimented with Oxford books. They used to read continuous in a week or 10 days. Once they were able to read all the lessons, then their job is next. Instead of I have not gone this structured kind of a thing. Once they're able to read, next thing is we make them remember, comprehend.
See, then you are talking about a student of grade 4, 5, 6, not below that. I'm sure.
No. This is we did with the UKG and first class.
How can a UKG and first class read a textbook?
No, they'll read. My UKG children can read UKG.
That is what I'm saying. They must have been trained elsewhere. Otherwise, reading ability is not there for KG children.
They'll read, sir. We in this relearning also they were able to read.
What is that? What do they read? What do they conceptualize? What do they understand without somebody's help in visualizing?
Contextually they can understand. Not in the first. Once they have minimum, they have that basic vocabulary. No, that will trigger them.
I think KG or first class is where we teach rhymes like Tingle Tingle Little Star. No.
I think they cross that. That is beyond that. No, they can read. That's what I'm saying. No, if you want, they can read all the Oxfords.
You show me one child who will read in front of me, or show me a record where a KG student is reading a story and conceptualize things. Yeah. They can visualize things. I hardly know.
No. In the last 2 years back, that guy of UKG, he read 4th class books.
See, I am not talking for 1 out of 1,000. I am talking about 990 out of 1,000. A generic case.
Generic, what has happened, see, once that guy has read now, it has become contagious. I am
telling again, don't take one single example out of 1,000 as a special case. See, we generally understand a KG student. Generally, we understand even at the grade 3, they don't read themselves. There may be 1 out of 1,000 who is reading it, but not every day.
Sir, no.
Everyday life
itself. I'll keep some other. Now I'm used to this webinar. No, one day.
Yeah.
Again, and I show that.
I will
all
appreciate.
My first class children.
I will appreciate.
You see, all my first class children, they can read on their own.
How many are there?
Science.
How many children you have?
Now I have all the 3 children.
I love to do that with them.
Because I kept that video. Now shall I keep that video so that you can understand with what vengeance they read?
Yeah, you can. Actually, you can share video. Share your screen. There is an option called more. When you click there, I think share screen option is there. A green one. In the participants, you opted to share screen. You can play whatever you want and share it. If you're on a laptop, it's simple.
No. Where from I can bring that?
You're on mobile?
Yeah.
You can put a share screen and then play whatever you want. So whatever there comes in your screen will come here. And you will disappear. Probably.
Share whiteboard screen. Screen is there.
Yeah.
Share screen,
Yeah. Share screen. And then play whatever you want in your gadget.
Kukro and his friends lived on a banyan tree. One day some parrots came there. We want to live on this tree, said the parrots. Kalku and his friends agreed. You must go away. We cannot live with crows. The parrot said. The crows disagreed with this. So the parrots went away. After some time they came back with a snake. Friend, you can feast on crows, the parrot said to the snake. The frightened crows flew away. The parrot settled down on the tree. I am hungry, better parrots than crows, the snake said. That's when the parrots understood what their mistake they had made. It was a bad idea to make a snake a friend. The parrots flew away in search of another tree. A walk to the river. Kapil and his uncle are going for a walk to the river. They meet Abu on the way. Can I also come with you? Sure you can. Thank you. I will tell my mother. Abu comes back. Come, let's go. They reach the river bank. Do you see that bridge? Yes, but it is very old, but it is very strong. Look, there is a bus on the bridge. Uncle, where does the bus go? It goes to Sevapur. Please, can we also go to Sevapur? Oh yes, can go on Sunday. Thank you, Uncle.
First class.
Oh, good, great. Yeah, that's beautiful. I enjoyed listening to that. But generally, my observation is this child must have by-hearted the whole thing, including where the hand has to be put was taught.
Sir, it's not this. Any news story also, they are used to read.
Exceptionally different. Now you can come out of the screen. The screen share, you have to come out so that you will be visible.
Screen share only?
Yeah, again screen share that you will have to disable. Yeah, fine.
Yeah.
See, children are having great ability to grasp. You show this and then do that. Actually, that doesn't lead to learning. Assume that same content is written on another blank paper without a picture in a different orientation. Is she able to read? Then they have learned. That's a good capability. If some children can do that, I'm sure they have learned. But then the picture is given for them to imagine along with the picture. Now the next level is to visualize same thing without even having the picture with them. So that is the next cognitive level. Arthamainda?
See, that is very clear. See what the sequence is. They have the Montfort books. They have All Saints, Little Flower. They have in UKG. They have a book.
Yeah.
In that all the sounds are there. The phonic sounds. They are once they have these kind of a basic things, the phonetics. To a certain extent, parallelly I used to give because they should enjoy what they are learning. So in the process, I used to read for them.
Yeah.
Once they got the story, contextually they get the story, and then that when they compare the story, that audible story, and the story that which is running, that the physical what you can say.
Understood.
They compare. They read on. They try to read that once that has happened, then later on next stage they understood that sounds and nd. So they are able to internalize.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. That picturization they must have got. Now, what is the next level of learning? Next level of learning is where they know the spelling of parrot, they know the spelling of snake, and that they can write themselves. Because reading, the next level should come reproducing that, right?
Yeah, recalling.
Yeah, recalling or reproducing. If they can recall,
Yeah.
that is fine. They can recall and verbally they say. But then the next level comes, they can write. Then they can create
That
new
is also
stories.
what-
Yeah, then they can create. So that ability, if they are able to read like this, they have a. I am 100% sure they are one of the best. I don't think 900 out of 1000 is not able to do this, even in the best schools.
Yeah, this is the differentiator. No, that's what I'm saying, that with little structural learning,
Yeah.
with kind of a bigger dissipation, without parental support. Without parental support, we never had parent-teachers meeting. We never gave the homeworks and all.
No,
But
no.
all they learned, it has happened in the school.
Yeah, in the school, that is what I am saying, where you have a physical contact with the child, you are able to get this.
Yeah.
Our question is, will this be possible just online?
No, that I'm not accountable.
Yeah.
I'm saying no, that I'm not. I'm not familiar with this kind of structural learning.
So
But
what
learning in
I'm
the
saying,
freedom is this.
once this capability is there with children, probably transferring them to a higher level of e-learning becomes simple.
I'm not looking at all for e-learning or that X-learning, sir. I'm only looking what now just to compensate for them to understand. See, they cannot come down to my frequency. Parent is not able to come down to my frequency. What I am trying to them is, we are giving them the tools needed for them to really enjoy their learning systems.
Good.
Then next level is, we want to continue the momentum till they gain a bigger perceptions. Once they own those perceptions, then some stage, then they can see, internalize according to the academic protocol.
Yeah.
So let them, without any name, let them go into their perceptions with a little vocabulary with the help of stories.
Okay.
Once they have this kind of a learning systems, they will be in the auto mode to own the vocabulary.
That is what
Once
I'm
they
saying.
own the vocabulary,
So the childhood teaching has to be one-to-one in terms of basic science, basic mathematics, basic English or language skill, whatever they want, logical reasoning. All that will come through a interactive one-to-one teaching and learning. Otherwise, it doesn't come.
see again I'm telling. See, again, this is what I am saying, that this is I'm not looking, just because we are in this crisis, we are trying to put the learning systems into this kind of interface.
Yeah.
I'm looking, what I'm saying, that once the child has owned the vocabulary and little bit logics, see, this is end of the story.
That's it.
I don't want to, see, I'm not good at going to the minor details. What
Understood.
I'm saying, that when you put them into the auto mode, see, what they do in the nursery, sequence, I'll tell you this. In nursery, what we do them, just we leave them, just we equip them to do skipping. Just continuously, we focus that by imposition. Just I say that once you owned this skipping, they have the energy levels and they can vent out their kind of a thing. They will be stuck, what you can call detoxification will happen. What all, they have a discipline, self-discipline will happen. And they have once they have vented out their energies, they'll be quiet and they're sitting and they will be able to focus down in some kind of puzzles or something that will happen.
Understood.
So next grade we'll take them to stories.
Okay.
Then there we will do with the help of the Chinese checkers. Next stage.
Hmm.
Once they are able to sit and really comprehend and do those logical thinking, then we'll take them to chess. That's it. Logic is the story is end over there. Nothing else beyond chess.
But my question is,
Regarding logics.
Yeah, but what motivates them to learn the basic science, physics, chemistry, maths, all that? See, NIAS also have examination based on subject wise. There has to be some motivation for them to get into different subjects, get a qualification. Without the qualification, you cannot survive in this world today. So,
No, this I understood, sir. Till third class, what my assumption
up to third class is
till
fine.
third
Fine.
class.
See, up to ninth class is fine. That's what I feel.
No, I'm not focusing about the degrees and all.
Yeah.
What I'm saying that do our systems will comfort them into this kind of address these false learning systems or getting some accreditation.
See, what I'm saying, it all supports, but unless you draw a path which shows a confidence in the parents, their children will not be allowed to come to such a system. So most
some kind of scrutiny.
Yeah, so most important is, this is what will expose them to maths, physics, chemistry, biology. This is what expose them to, see, tomorrow they have to get their livelihood. So for which there is a path which is to be cleared, which talks about these are the steps which they will do. See, our curriculum system is also designed in such a fashion, after grade 1 they will be able to do this, after grade 2 they will be able to do this. There is an objective and scope. Without objective and scope, we never did anything.
But I'll tell like this. See, I taught an 8th class girl of all sense. They were out of 60 students. She stood around say 6th or 7th rank.
Okay.
Out of 10. But this girl, she can't do one maths problem.
It's natural. That is what I only said in the beginning.
No, you are trying to tell history, maths, something else. That is not the basic thing. They lost that discretion powers very early.
That is what I said in the beginning itself. Out of 1,000, 990 are useless, I said. I know the system. That is why I said, no, it is not that possible. You may be able to see 1 or 2. But we are also picking up same system, same situation. What we are trying to do is make a difference in the cognitive learning. That's why I said definition of objectives after grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, all well defined. But what happened in our education system? My objective is only to push my grade 1 student to grade 2, grade 2 to grade 3. If they pass, I am happy. And government, what they did, they relaxed the situation because everybody passed up to 9th class. And 10th class also, we don't want everybody to fail. Therefore, we relaxed it. So, I am well aware of the system. So, what we are trying to make is a difference in the learning. That difference in the learning will happen. I experimented this with my children in 8th grade. That is what the program called ICON, in which what happens in the classroom is allowed to happen. Parallelly, we taught them. Now, we are looking for a total system where we will revamp the whole thing. I don't worry whether my student goes to school or not. What I experimented was, let them go to school, I parallelly feed them. You understood? Then parents will be happy. Parents will be ready. You pick up the so-called worst children who are from the Basti, who are going to some government school, pick them up and then supplement this. Then we can prove, yes, I made a difference. So I did it for 90 children in 8th grade, exactly 10 years back. And in 2 years, 1 year, That was enough. 1 year of my teaching was good enough. In which, what did I do? I supplemented that. That experiment is possible only in higher classes. Because you want to prove that your result is coming out. Whether you do it in grade 1 or grade 10, grade 9, grade 8, almost result will be same. And grade 10 people don't even venture putting their children with you. Because they are looking for higher marks and all. That is why I picked up 8th grade. Only 1 year, 9 months. After that they were there on. Now they are all into PhD, went to different universities. Otherwise they would have failed in 10th class. Or must have passed 10th class being useless in their life.
So you put them all those people below average into a system called peer learning.
Below average, the worst children from that school.
Right.
Which 100% guarantee the teachers say that my children will not become good. The parent says that my child is useless. I said, give it to me. Let me experiment on them. They learned themselves. It's only motivating them, making their language skill perfect, like what you said. Logical reasoning is good. I show them movies and ask them to write reviews. I ask them to go and hunt for something. Give a reasoning for that. I send them to museums. But don't go watch and come back. You must have 100 questions, 100 answers to your previous questions. Whatever you have learned in whichever class, look at all of them and then see what is there inside that. So they relearned their maths, relearned physics, relearned chemistry, relearned their language skill. The nationalism, everything was built inside. So if I want to do that in young children, it becomes hard because I will have to put a path. No parent will, a well-to-do parent or the worst parent, they don't want to put their children into any unexperimented new venture. When they put them into normal style, they found that my child is not at all performing well. That takes some time. Maybe 7th class, 8th class, they are more. Now today, people of 4th grade also is not. So what we should do is, probably we could conduct small camps of 10 days. Now this is the right time. That is why I said digital platforms in which get them onto line. Maybe 25 children we are going to monitor for the next 20 sessions of 1 hour each. Let us see how it makes difference in their learning. I am sure we can show that their outlook have changed, their investigation, they keep looking at questions, they keep learning from different platforms available.
See, one of my friends actually is teaching, maths in Gayatri.
I am not in any of these tuition centers. I am deadly against this.
No, just I am telling. No. What has happened? He teaches 3 or 4 sections.
Yeah.
In that 4 sections, one section is almost 60 to 70% above average.
Yeah.
Another section, 30%.
Yeah.
In another section, only 20%.
Yeah.
The last section, only 10%.
Yeah.
So he's just going on telling like that, irregardless of whether no accountability. Somebody, the local helpers, the assistant lecturers, they'll make them. They give 4 or 5 questions. They make them sit from morning till evening just to by heart.
See, that is what I'm saying. When we make them to learn, the objective is not to make them to learn. Make them to pass exam so that they go to the next level. Up to 8th grade, 10th grade. The 7th class teacher's job is only to make the 7th class children into 8th class next year.
Musical chair.
Yeah, then they feel that my class full pass percentage. Correct? How much they retain, how much they really know is not. That is what I am saying. Reading a textbook, reading his own book is very simple. Because you make them to by heart, they will just by heart. Looking at that THE If you write it somewhere else, they will not read. But that book, that place, TH is there, they will read it as the. So we can make children cognitively to do that, like that skipping job what you said. That is actually every parrot can do, every dog can be trained. Monkeys are made to add, subtract and all that. But that is not, that is why I said logical reasoning, language skill, understanding, create their own story. See, what do I do generally when I ask them to look at a movie? After 5 minutes, I will hold it.
Stop.
And then ask them, I will call randomly some 3 people and say, the last scene was this, now you act. With the dialogue, they must act.
They should internalize it.
Yeah. I don't want same words. But I want same ideas, emotions, everything should come. Maybe you may have a grammar mistake, I don't care. Your English is different phonetics, I don't care. But what I want is same feeling, same action should come. So they must watch a movie, not watch. They must learn a movie. Word by word they must see, that is to create that attentiveness in them. How many students have got attentiveness? How many of them look at carefully? See, when somebody asks me a question, immediately I will ask them, have you seen my last video? Your comment was not seen. Tell me 1-2 words about it. They flop. I said, you want to do IAS, but I have sent you something. Tell me 10 sentences which you have read from my book on prelims. These are the steps. You tell me what did you read. If you are not read it, then you are blah blah blah. You are not keen on learning. If you are not keen on learning, don't do anything. So the objective is very clear in our education system. But the teachers who are handling it have not done it. So what can we do? I am not here to revamp the education system saying every people who designed it are wrong. No. I am only saying we can supplement it because the system has not done it. The system means teachers have not done, some management have not done. I am not against any syllabus, I am not against any system. I am only against the way in which it is delivered by people. So we should supplement it. NIOS is a good system where even if you lose the main track or you don't want to be, you want to go faster or you have an option to choose something else. I also asked many of my children to write NIOS directly. There were children who failed in 12th class. I asked them, you pick up that and then instead of maths you take home science, then you write NIOS 12th, you can pass. Then they have become MCA and then become teachers in some institutions now. So I have done this out of NIOS. Probably I knew NIOS from 2007 or 6 when I was in Delhi. So from then onwards I have referred many people into NIOS. But NIOS themselves are probably in classrooms are not taking this style of teaching. So let us
the same stereotype.
Yeah. So let us supplement that. Pick up some children where they are not interested to study. They don't have anything. Let us supplement it and see how does it work. And this situation today, in this situation today, we are not able to physically have any contact. That is highly risky. We can well do it with these sort of platforms. That's only what I'm saying. So we can make this online session in line with the supplement which we wanted to give it to them.
Yeah, using this tool to really convey our message.
Yes. Even that child who is, even that child who is able to read that is a wonderful child, but we must take her to the next level, because their grasping power is much higher. So you have a high flexibility. But somebody else who is not able to read her own classmate, we will not allow them to jump faster. They will have to spend more time to jump faster. So that is what is flexibility means. So NIOS gives you a flexibility. You are not putting a race between the horse and the donkey. The horse is taken in a different rail, donkey is taken in a different rail. That flexibility we have in NIOS.
No, that's what I'm looking at. See, till 6 years.
Yeah.
Just, I say like this. Till 6 years, I will look into the scientific perspective. They have some kind of really hardwiring their neurons till 6th class. So once by using these two weapons, that is chess and storytelling, they get their perceptions will be widened. And what all your
I agree with you. I understood what I am saying, but I don't know. Have you seen 4th class environment science or science textbook?
Yeah,
that is huge. If you have that knowledge of 4th class environment science or science textbook good enough to pass BTech, there is a subject called environment science. Same syllabus repeated there, which people will fail.
Yeah. That's what, no, they lost the discretion powers. No, something has been hacked out. Not to have the minimum. That's what I'm saying. What all they have in the 6th class knowledge also, basic things also have been, these things have been hacked out.
Let us take some few children. Have a high interactive session where they grow their enthusiasm and see how good they are. Are we able to get into that sort of a system where they can supplement? That is essential required. Before deciding I am going to do for 8th class, what I have done was I spoke to 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th and all the children to find out where I have to invest my time. One day session. See, what generally we found is 8th grade children, if they are able to read back their 4th grade science textbook, they will realize I missed so much. So getting them back to their lower classes is one experiment which I conducted. If they are able to get back to their 4th grade and then see, I have not learned anything, that itself is a great motivation for them to learn further. What demotivates sometimes, I have not learned anything, I don't have time. They get into depression. What we can do is, you don't worry, if you have not learned, still you have time to learn so that you can go further up. That is the only motivation we can give. But if you don't take them to the systematic structure, they will all compare with some people who are there around. They will see the other fellow is reading science, maths, physics, chemistry, high level, and you still have only logic and language. They will think that, I am not part of that. It's like you may have every ability to run, but you are not in that perfect suit and boot along with the other runners.
Contained.
Yeah. So
what I'm saying
that comfort feeling must be given to our children.
Not comfort. See, once I said no, UKG and first class. These two things they own.
Yeah.
And that we consolidated in 2nd class. Just we locked it up. 2nd class, these things we have really given them bigger possibilities. Once they own these bigger possibilities, then that show, as you are saying, no, your show starts. You are saying no, exposing them to different perspectives to really broaden their kind of a thinking. This will start at the 3rd. This is possible. Once 3 years, UKG, 1st and 2nd. Once we gave them these 3 years, if we give them the fundamentals, the basics, basic patience, concentration,
Reddy Garu, I totally agree with you. Which parent will give their children for these exclusively? Do you have? Will you be able to get 20 children exclusively on this? Without attending any schools, will they come to you without giving a straight path, which is aligned with the systems? We have many systems. Let it be state syllabus, let it be central syllabus, let it be CBSE, all that.
No, not. That is that drama. I say like this. I said no. See, I said we took 4 people. 2 from St. Joseph, 2 from All Saints.
That means already they are into a system. Did they come out of the system or still they are part of it?
No. They came here for only short remedial kind of a thing.
That is only what I am saying. Supplementary.
Supplementary.
Yes.
But even for that level also, 8th class level also, they were not good readers.
We should make them. That is what I am saying. Don't throw them out. Get the worst children and make them good and send back to the same system. Show that yes, we can supplement.
Supplements. This is what I'm looking into. See, through school, with school or without school, we want to have a virtual platform.
That's it.
Where we can be able to remedy their kind of a phobias.
Yes.
And we will put them into regular stream. This is what how we understood.
We can do that.
School or no school.
That is what I'm saying.
Just we want to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't worry.
I am using now. Try to understand. My platform is a platform for a story writer like Harry Potter. That Rowling, the girl, she used this coffee table to write a bigger novel.
What?
Similarly, my place, I am going to use it for that.
That's
nothing else beyond that.
That's it.
Am I clear?
Yes.
Am I clear, sir?
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah.
So to show them that what is.
Yeah. Get whomever is, whichever grade, whichever class, doesn't matter.
See, again, see, for this reason only, to do that fishing job, we want to really conduct a storytelling.
Yeah.
Online storytelling. People will come. Other day we have come, like that. People will come together. Their like online storytelling.
Yeah.
So precursor or the after that story session is over, we feel like really precursor only.
No, what we will do is
behind...
we will start functional. That is what I was telling the other day also. Start functional. Add people into the group, the learners forum. Let them be of any level. Let them be of graduate, postgraduate, young children.
No, sir. First we should do fishing. How do we fishing? We should go to the pond. No.
Yeah.
What is the pond? The pond is storytelling session. When we invite them for a storytelling session, people will come together.
Fine.
Then we can really deliberate our ideas.
Start.
I hope you
understood.
You got my idea.
Understood.
See, if you go like this in this kind of a thing, we have too many constraints over here.
Yeah.
So from the day one only, I'm saying that let us conduct storytelling competitions.
Do it.
Then the people will come.
No? I'm saying just use the contact, slowly start doing it, then let us spread it. Maybe 2 people, 3 people, 5 people, let us do it.
Yeah. Then once that it takes some momentum, then what are we are supposed to know? See, this is what we want to experiment. They are asking, now the Patanjali people are asking, show me your evidence, show me your clinical trials.
That's what
then only we'll act.
See, that is where we should start acting. Then we build up stones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This job, I feel like doing it. Even
good.
I doubt with foundation. I said no, but Aksharavanam and all like they have, but they have the language constraints. Or the man who is running the show, he has got like you. He is on a different perception. He also believes like you, but practically he is into too many schools. So to get that required mass for us to experiment, that material is there. We have the mass to explore. That is not a constraint.
No, let us.
But the only thing is,
instead of talking and then planning, let us do something which may not be exactly what we want, but we will evolve into that.
Yeah, that's what the crude. It has to be refined.
Yeah. So how was your village trip? What did you get from village?
that idea is, I brought that organic ladies fingers.
Okay. Where is your
That
mango
was-
finished?
Sir, mangoes. Now I'm into procuring goas. See, this is what my mission, because I said no, right food, right energy levels to address bigger possibilities. That's the reason sometimes if only one thing is there, I would have focused and I could have seen the end of it. But because of too many things, putting our ideas into too many baskets,
That is
sometimes
somebody says I'm an entrepreneur throughout my life, never become businessman. Get some.
no,
That mangoes are over.
sir, it is over.
Okay.
Till in our team yesterday also they brought from Shamirpet to SR Nagar.
Okay.
They brought, but they may have some kind of a problem together. So we said we don't want to spoil the reputation what we gave.
Okay.
We want to stop this, and we want to do with some other things like some other fruits.
Okay.
That momentum will be there, but not of the mango moment is quite different. People will
Understood.
consume in kg, but other
Kgs,
fruits they
kgs.
won't consume. They just for the say namesake they do. This thing really other day I thought of, because see now once I'm now familiar with this navigation.
Yeah.
Now I know that any moment I'll call them for a coffee. Come and join the show, and then so this is what I'm looking into.
No, what we do is
I got that.
No, what we do is
Yeah.
first create a WhatsApp group, add people in that, so that when you post there, everybody will be joining together. Otherwise, you will have to send it to 100 people. Whoever is interested in that, assume it is storytelling. Put everybody in storytelling group. Or you want a learning technique, that can be storytelling, that can be maths, that can be physics, of any class, anything. You want to tell something, discuss something, create a learners group, add people into that. So that one message in that will tell you at 5 o'clock so and so day we are opening for 1 hour. Give 1 day notice so that everybody can be ready.
See, one thing, sir, what I had a faith is, see, that learn to learn or that peer learning. See, this, I had a bigger perception. But with your kind of an, this thing, why too many people are not able to really take our, this kind of an positive intention on a different scale? What is your perception regarding why they are not able to own this bigger, beautiful tool to really enjoy their learning?
See, I am not saying people are not taking it. People are taking it.
Yeah.
That is why I am able to sustain only with the 10 years, only with the classes. Every day I have got different places classes just because I marketed that concept of learn to learn. Thousands of teachers, hundreds of principals, lakhs of children, all of them heard, at least maybe 10% is using it. That's a great success.
No, I didn't got this point. Really, sustaining means what do you mean by
See,
sustaining?
I am every day being active, kept in different places, kept calling at different schools and colleges. I spoke to all the 100 principals in Chennai from all the Gulf country is not a joke. So what is the message which I gave? People have to learn. But it is not enough. I may not be concretizing in terms of looking at putting my designation as consultant to 10 schools, 15 schools. But by casually, not in a systematic performance style, but I am into different places. They take consultation. See, the mother is cooking and giving, you don't call them as doing a job of cooking, they take it for granted. Probably I am consulting, even now when I look at it, I may have 10 questions to answer on WhatsApp, how to prepare for exams. This informal way of guiding children is happening because I am able to get into people. There are questions, there are answers given. So, the learn to learn concept is a great concept which is pushed. Why am I not able to get is not there. I am able to get through. But I must not have made it into a format because organizing or organization is not my concept.
Somebody need to do this kind of structure, giving a structure.
Now it is not that I am hunting for somebody to listen to me is not my job. But when Mohan Reddy speaks to me, this is what you want, I am able to tell you this is what I expect. Probably in your line, this is what probably can be done.
These are the loopholes you need to rectify.
Yeah, I am not trying to say that this is what I want to do, so therefore I go and hunt for a rich man. I go behind somebody who is established. That is why when you ask me, there is a great educationalist who knows 100 schools, I will not go and ask them, this is my concept, will you take it? No.
Yeah.
I am not marketing what I wanted to do, but when somebody comes to me, I will feed them perfectly well. If they want, they will come back. If they don't want, they don't come back. That's it. So I am very clear about, because I experimented, I have done my children, and that is done systematically. Now I am spreading it probably informally to 100 people. Hundreds and thousands of people have got benefited out of it. So I am 100% sure at a different level, starting from a kg level to a higher level, probably we can spread it. Yeah.
Right. Is it, sir?
Yeah, I am able to hear you. So let us go ahead with some active activity based programs.
People.
Yeah.
Yeah, that will be nice.
Yeah.
I'll speak to them and we'll be coming to the webinar. Okay, sir?
Yeah, that will be good.
Okay, thanks. Thanks a lot.
Good.